Hey, welcome back to this channel. Right now we are at the Kuta beach walk. That's a mall on Bali Island, Indonesia. This is an icon mall located on Kuta beach, which is in Bali, and this is one of the most popular beaches that are available on Bali Island. This part of the site is a modern part of Kuta beach, and you'll find restaurants, cafes, stores, all to fill your needs during your stay here. Now we are entering a candy store, a huge, and you'll find here all varieties of candies, chocolate, sweets, and things like that. Enjoy for those who like candies, like children and elderly as well, no problem. And then you also find some people doing or performing some kind of dancing that involve a lot of youth from all over the world. So I guess I'll have to leave you there or here to explore Kuta beach walk. So don't you forget, once you visit Bali Island and then Denpasar and Kuta, just come and pay a visit here. Thank you so much.